friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. It's another museum day for this vlog, so let's head on over to downtown Los Angeles and check out the Broad. have it, our day trip to the Broad Museum. Currently, the museum only offers timed reservations. Tickets are free and all you have to do is pay for your parking either within their building or within downtown LA. And if you do want to check it out and plan your own trip, I'll put the link in the description below for all the information you need to any events that they'll be holding, as well as admission, which is free, and all you have to do is pay for parking either in their building or within downtown LA. It's great to see some of the familiar artworks there, as well as some new ones that they've rotated in, which on the way to your exit you actually can see their archive of artwork that they rotate in and out. If you do like this trip and want to see more just like it, do hit that like button and subscribe, and I definitely will have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. But until our next adventure, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.